In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make.com to schedule social media for your e-commerce store. This powerful tool can streamline your marketing efforts, helping you manage posts across different platforms smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by creating a scenario on Make.com. Think of this as setting up the groundwork for the automation process. To do this, log into your Make.com account and click on the option to create a new scenario. This scenario will act as your workspace for setting up social media schedules, offering a structured way to manage your posts efficiently across different platforms. Next, you'll need to choose your product source, selecting your e-commerce platform from which Make.com will pull data. Some popular choices include Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, Google Sheets, and Airtable. For example, if you're using Shopify, you could select the Watch Products trigger. This setting ensures that every time a new product is added to your store, it will initiate the process you're setting up here, sparking the flow of data to your social media accounts. Now, an optional yet quite effective step is to incorporate OpenAI. By doing so, you're enabling AI to assist you in generating engaging content such as product captions, hashtags, and even ad copy. To add OpenAI, integrate the Create Chat Completion option. You can prompt OpenAI with specific instructions like writing an Instagram caption for a product, where it uses the product title as a reference, and includes relevant hashtags and a call to action. This step can significantly enhance the quality and engagement level of your posts. After setting up your AI content generation, you'll proceed to add social media modules. Make.com supports connections to multiple platforms, extending your reach across several social channels. You can link accounts from platforms like Facebook pages, Instagram for Business, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, and even TikTok through API or webhook integrations. This versatility allows you to automate posts across the channels most frequented by your target audience. To ensure your Instagram presence is strong, you'll add the Instagram for Business module to create a photo post. Map your product images, AI-generated captions, and hashtags to the respective fields. Remember, you need an Instagram business account and a connected Facebook page to complete this step successfully. Similarly, you'll want to set up your Facebook postings by adding the Facebook Pages module to create posts. Here, map out your captions, product images, and product URLs. This setup will ensure your Facebook audience stays updated with your latest offerings. Lastly, integrate the Pinterest module to schedule pins. In this part of the process, you'll map your product image, add a catchy title, and include the store link. Pinterest is particularly effective for driving e-commerce traffic, so don't overlook this platform's potential to attract and engage shoppers. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and automate your social media schedule, allowing you more time to focus on other important aspects of growing your e-commerce business.